Hello, this is Michael Pine with truDigital Signage, and today I'm going to show you how to put this new date template up on your digital signage. So this is a great way to make sure people are informed as to the date in your office or business. So this is one option we have, kind of the lighter option, and we also have a darker option that you can use as well. So I'm going to jump right into my account here, and you'll notice I'm under the Manage Playlist tab. And then you'll go to the template library and you will scroll down until you see one of the date templates that you'd like to use. So if I want to use this darker one, I'll click on it and click install. That'll bring it to the My Templates area. And there are no edits to be made within the particular template itself. So you simply click edit on your live playlist, drag and drop it into your live playlist, and click save. And that's all you have to do. And if you want to see a preview of what it looks like, simply click preview and voila. So if you have any questions about any of that, feel free to let us know. We're more than happy to help, and hopefully people will remember which date it is and certainly enjoy seeing it in a professional design up on your screen. So again, let us know if you have any questions. More than happy to help, and best of luck. We'll see you next time.